Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about how to transfer file from iPhone to MacBook and from MacBook to iPhone, and I must say that this is the fastest way to transfer the file. There is a many way to transfer file, but the way which I am going to tell is the fastest way and also the easiest way. So let's start. So what I am going to talk about is about the AirDrop. So AirDrop is a facility where you can just transfer file, in fact very large file in seconds, and also you don't need any wire, any other connections, and also there is no internet connection required, so there is no uploading to the drive and downloading and other things. So let me show you. So this is my MacBook, and I am going to transfer file from iPhone to this MacBook. So let's open the AirDrop here. So once you open the AirDrop, you will see the option. So this option has to be set, like allow me to discovered by contacts only. So this is important. If this is not set, then the AirDrop is not going to work. So just check is that you are allowing it to contact only or everyone, and as per your setting, if you need everyone to transfer file to your MacBook, then say everyone, otherwise only the contacts. So this is the one of the settings. Now let me show you settings which are required. Go to system preference, and then you can see here the extension. Under the extension you will see share menu. In the share menu you can see which all things are required to be shared. So this AirDrop, message, mail and all those things should be enabled by default, otherwise the AirDrop may not work. So just for checking purpose I'm just showing it. Normally it is enabled by default. So now let's go to the connection settings. So now if you see, my iPhone is connected to this MacBook via Bluetooth. Now this is important and required, and now I'm connecting my wireless network to this MacBook, and also my iPhone is connected to the same wireless network. The wireless network may be private, or you can connect to the internet network, but it has to the same Wi-Fi network which is required to transfer the file. Now this iPhone is also connected to the same network. You can see here the RKS, and the Bluetooth is also connected. So with the help of these two connections you can do the AirDrop. Remember, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, both connections are required. So only Bluetooth connection AirDrop will not work, and only with wireless connections AirDrop will not work. So Bluetooth is required for security and Wi-Fi is required to transfer the file. So if you look at the how we are going to transfer the file, you can see here the Patrick. This is the window, small circle here, and that circle means that the connection is set up. Now I'm going to AirDrop the file. Now you see I'm just sending the file from the mobile to MacBook, and we'll go to the MacBook and see what is happening. Now it is waiting, now it is sending, now it is sent. So just we'll check there how it is sent and whether the file is stored properly. So I just came here and see there's an AirDrop pop-up coming and the file is successfully transferred. So this was the fastest way to transfer your file from iPhone to iMac and from MacBook to iPhone. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know if you have any question in comment.